Understanding Welding Spatter, an English language guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of technical terms in English. We'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, welding spatter. Whether you're a language learner, an aspiring welder, or just curious, this video is for you. Welding spatter refers to the small droplets of molten material produced during welding processes. These droplets can be scattered or splashed away from the welding area. Understanding this term is crucial in technical fields, especially in industries involving metal work and fabrication. Welding spatter might seem minor, but it can have significant implications. It can affect the quality of the weld and may also pose a safety risk. Additionally, spatter can lead to extra cleanup work, making it an important consideration in welding operations. Prevention and management of welding spatter are key in welding practices. Techniques include using anti-spatter sprays, adjusting welding parameters, and proper equipment maintenance. Understanding these methods is essential for anyone involved in or learning about welding. While welding spatter is a technical term, it's also used metaphorically in everyday English to describe anything that's scattered or dispersed in a similar, haphazard manner. It's a great example of how technical jargon can influence general language. I hope this video has shed light on the term, welding spatter, and its significance in both technical and everyday contexts. Remember, understanding such terms enhances not just your language skills but also your knowledge of how various fields intersect with language. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.